Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel Alpha Finance. Today, we have a special topic that's incredibly important for anyone looking to take control of their finances: budgeting for beginners. Budgeting is like the roadmap to financial success. It helps you track your income and expenses, save for your goals, and avoid unnecessary debt. So, whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to refresh your budgeting skills, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into it. Step 1. Calculate your monthly income. The first step in creating a budget is to calculate your monthly income. This includes your salary, freelance income, side hustles, or any other money coming in each month. Write down this total. Step 2. List your monthly expenses. Next, list all your monthly expenses. This includes fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation costs, and variable expenses like dining out or entertainment. Step 3. Categorize and prioritize expenses. Now that you have your list of expenses, categorize them into needs and wants. Needs are essential, while wants are things you can cut back on if needed. Prioritize your needs over wants. Step 4. Set realistic goals. With a clear view of your income and expenses, set realistic financial goals. These could be saving for emergencies, paying off debt, or planning a vacation. Having goals will give your budget a purpose. Step 5. Create your budget. It's time to create your budget. Subtract your total monthly expenses from your monthly income. Ideally, you should have some money left over. If not, you may need to adjust your expenses. Step 6. Track your spending. To ensure you stick to your budget, track your spending. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even a pen and paper to record every expense. This will help you identify where your money is going. Step 7. Review and adjust. Finally, regularly review your budget. Life changes, and so should your budget. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track with your financial goals. And there you have it, budgeting tips for beginners. Remember, budgeting is a skill that improves with practice. Don't be discouraged if it takes time to get it just right. The important thing is that you're taking control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.